Hi guys, this is Todd Stone from Central Oregon Survival Network coming at you again. Today is a beautiful day. I was just out setting a land nav course for some search and rescue event, but I figured since I was up in the area, I haven't been up here actually on the land side. I've been up here on a boat before, but I wanted to come up here. It's a Bear Creek arm of the Prineville Reservoir in Oregon, and I want to go down and try some fishing, see what's out there. I know they got bass, trout, a lot of different smallmouth, bigmouth. This time of day, not real good for fishing. About a little afternoon, kind of midday, not real good, but the bass are active in the May-June time frame. So I'm gonna go try and see if we can't get some of those. Just a little shout out to Primal Archer and Jason and Coyote Works with Casey. Sorry you guys couldn't come out. I didn't give you a call. I know that Jason headed up to, I believe, Washington to go out with another YouTuber, and we're all starting to get together and have some adventures and go out and try out our skills. But today I was just in the area. I want to go try out the new pole that I got, which is a Traveler. It's an old McGill. I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. I'm really excited. Let's get the action down and see how it feels. I did change up my fishing kit. This is actually my fishing kit now. I had to go to a little bit longer of a bag because of how long the actual tube was. It comes with an aluminum tube, and I'll do a full review of that fishing pole also, and this fishing kit, so you guys can check it out. But today, I just wanted to bring you guys with me fishing, and I hope you enjoy. And I will do a review on this and the new pole I got. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, sorry I couldn't get it on an action video. We got a pretty nice one here. Little spines up there. Nice bass. Let's see if we can't get another one maybe on camera. Nice size one right there. Largemouth bass. Beautiful. Look at them eyes. Some good fishing today. Hey guys. So I think we're gonna hang it up for the day. It was a pretty sweet day of fishing, and we got dinner tonight. Some good looking bass. And I will catch you later, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned and look at like I said earlier, at Coyote Works and Primal Archer. Out there they got some good stuff. So that concludes today's fish trip. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you later.